Hi guys. Today I'm gonna talk about what I learned today. What I learned was I'm gonna share my GitHub PR request. So let's see. Okay, let's see. I put the compression on the server. So the thing is that the interesting if you are like hosting the web server, you should make a server like HTTP server. But like amazing thing is that so when you put the content encoding type, for example, you put BR on it or zip type of it. But if you send HTML on it, HTML or JavaScript on it, it will gonna not work. The browser will not gonna able to read the HTML, so it is gonna be error. Because you already put the encoding of BR, so which means that the browser is responsible to read the BR type of encoding. So you need to put type BR on it, so the browser will able to understand it. So I'm gonna talk about this, how compression is work. I put compression on HTML on JavaScript on HTML, JavaScript on, I put compression on HTML and JavaScript, and the resource size was really decreased compared to the before. So in the HTML, the 40%, it got smaller than like 40%, and JS it got smaller than 49%. So that was really interesting part. And also I use HTTP server library but it was not working. It was not working. It didn't so when I'm trying to put like send some more requests on it, but the weird thing is it just not gonna, it won't response the request after the first for the first handshake. And and the reason why HTTP server won't work, because this HTTP server is for the CMD command line. So I just changed into the just HTTP, that Node.js the Node.js library. So I put on it and it worked, and it was really good. I made it and I really like it because there's a compression on it. It gives you it gives good performance on your website. So and the interesting thing I learned today was people saying, like in the blog, like the in the tree shaking view, CommonJS and ESM is gonna be more effective on the tree shaking, which means that if you use tree shaking on the ESM, there will be more code elimination than CommonJS. My question is why? How? The tree shaking is based on the abstract syntax tree. It just makes your code in the AST, abstract syntax tree, and checks that code. And my question here, why is it different? CommonJS and ESM, why does it different in terms of AST view? Why? And I didn't figure out why. And also, why is the purpose of CommonJS and why purpose of ESM? People saying that ESM is for browser and CommonJS is for Node.js. But if you're trying to build React Next.js, the output is not ESM. Output is just their own library syntax of it. They define their own structured JavaScript, not ESM, not CommonJS. And my question is, if you look at the background of it, so why people saying that CommonJS ESM is better than CommonJS in terms of tree shaking. Why? Because he's saying that people saying that like the bundler can like static analyze the like there is like static analysis on the ESM, and but recurry is dynamically analyzed. But people are saying about that. But the thing is that the difference is you can put recur in any code, even inside the any function or that. But import is different. I know there's dynamic import, but there's dynamic import. But let's skip it. So my question is again, the reason why ESM is more effective in terms of tree shaking is actually I really think it's actually based on the code that we write, the front-end developer write. For example, you put recursion syntax on the any code, so there will be different. There will be really difficult to analyze which code is that, because recur some JavaScript is just getting it does some file to the other code, and of course there's gonna be not easy to tree shake. I mean, it's so obvious. But ESM, why? Because there's no import statement in some inside the function. Import statement should on the top of the file. That's why I think tree shaking. Why I think ESM is better than CommonJS in terms of tree shaking. But people saying about static analysis about that, but I don't know why. So, but I'm gonna go deeper on it. I'm gonna try to make a tree shaking on my bundler. So, I don't know how it goes. So, bye bye.